Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start on the Roblox homepage or app, then use the search bar to type a group's exact name or keywords. Open the Groups tab in Results and examine the group's avatar, member count, and description with care. Use filters to sort by relevance, category, or minimum member count to find active communities quickly. Check the group's wall posts and latest activity for signs of moderation and engagement before you try to join. This saves time and avoids inactive or unsafe groups. On the Groups page, locate and click the Join button to request membership. Open groups add you immediately, while private groups mark your request as pending. If the group requires approval, the owner or admins will review your request and may message you for verification. Approval times vary and can take hours or days. Remember, Roblox limits membership to 10 groups per account, so choose groups you will engage with. After joining, set the group's rank or role if offered, and check pinned rules and onboarding posts. To show support, go to a group's wall and click the heart icon beneath a post to like it. That registers as engagement and is visible to members. You can also comment on posts, share them to chat, and participate in group events or game servers to increase visibility. Follow pinned rules and respect moderators to avoid strikes that can remove your membership. Earning and displaying group badges, participating in rank promotions, and using official group roles helps you signal commitment and access member-only benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.